Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and it is a July Birchbox subscription, and instead of a box we have got this lovely bag. So if you're new to Birchbox and you want to learn a little bit more about the subscription, then carry on watching. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside this bag, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. What you're seeing in this video is Birchbox UK, and it only ships within the UK, but there are other Birchboxes out there. The cost of the box is £13.95, and that includes shipping, and inside you receive 5 beauty products ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup, nail care and beauty tools. They offer a monthly rolling subscription which you can cancel any month, or you can opt for a 3, 6 or 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. There's always discounts flying around, so whatever I can find I'll pop it down in my description, as well as links to the subscription, plus any limited edition boxes Birchbox are currently running, you'll find down there as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that will bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to open this up and showing you what's inside. So the theme for this month is countryside charm. It says, this summer we're taking a break from the hustle and bustle to get closer to nature, the countryside staycation. Sometimes changing up your routine and escaping to the country is exactly what you need. July's floral beauty bag, reminiscent of countryside scenery, is specially curated to remind you to get closer to nature. Let the fresh air, green fields and sunshine help you to relax, recharge and reflect. There's 5 products inside this bag and 3 of them are full size this month. And on the back here there's some information about a new limited edition coming. It's Birchbox and the Flat Lay Company Summer Limited Edition. Oh, this is brilliant. I've seen these on ASOS. It's an open flat makeup bag, and yeah, can you see there? I've seen them on ASOS and I keep eyeing them up. But yeah, I can't wait to find out more information about that and to find out how much it costs as well. It doesn't say here, but it just says launching this month. So as soon as I find out about it, I'll pop it up on Instagram, Facebook, etc. So let's show you the bag in more detail. You've got a little label Birchbox there. It's a really nice size. That might be really nice actually to put a hook on your bathroom wall and keep things in there. For instance, one of these. Now everyone will receive one of these in their Birchbox this month, and it's a super soft towel. When I read about it on their website I thought it was going to just be a normal towel, like a square towel, but it's not. It's actually a head towel, a hair towel. So one of these, I've got a few of these now and they are fab. Yeah, this one is gorgeous. It's really nice and soft. I got a peachy one. I'm not sure if they come in different colours. So put your head in there, facing this way. Tilt your hair upside down, make sure all your hair is stuck in there, twist it with your hair, and then you'll see a little loop there. So you pull it all the way back over the top of your head, and then you secure it at the back then, the nape of your neck with a button there. And yeah, it's supposed to look like that. Something like that anyway. You could keep this hair towel in this bag hung up on a wall. I really like that. So this is full size and the recommended retail price is £15. And this is an actual Birchbox one, is it? Has it got Birchbox written on it? This is a Birchbox own product. It says, go easy on your locks and cut drying time in half with this microfiber hair towel. The quick dry material has a greater surface area to absorb water, meaning the average person's hair can dry in as little as 30 minutes. The superfine microfiber is softer than regular towels, meaning less effort and friction is required to dry your hair, keeping hair cuticles flat and smooth. 1 square inch of microfiber towel has over 200,000 fibres. The next product was our sneak peek from last month. Although saying that, I don't think they do sneak peeks anymore. Normally they used to do sneak peeks on the back of the leaflets here, but they haven't done that for the last couple of months. But when you subscribe, sometimes you will get an email before your new box is due out asking you what you prefer in your box. And for this month, everyone got the same product, but you had a choice of shade, I think, anyway. It doesn't happen every month, but I do like that about Birchbox. They give you the options. So say for instance if you've got a blusher or a lipstick, then you get to choose what shade you would prefer. If you don't choose on time, then they just send you a random one. I thought this was a deodorant at first. I thought, oh, natural deodorant, brilliant. But no, it's a multi-purpose balm. No, hasn't got a scent. Handy little size though. This is full size and the recommended retail price is £11. This is not just a lip balm, this is your ultimate all-over salve and it's endlessly refillable. Made with a blend of natural oils, hyaluronic acid, ceramides and squalene, it hydrates and conditions dry skin, helps promote skin barrier function and leaves a protective layer that's light and soft, never sticky. It has just a hint of chamomile for a light and calming scent. Yeah, okay, I can smell it now. Each refill case is made from post-consumer recycled plastic. By purchasing refills instead of buying another balm, you are reusing 95% of the original packaging and helping to keep plastic out of landfills. It's got a multi-purpose balm. Next we've got a product by Philip Kingsley and this is the Elasticizer Therapies Egyptian Jasmine and Mandarin. That sounds absolutely gorgeous. Deep conditioning treatment. It says, rich and deeply conditioning, our Elasticizer Therapies pre-shampoo treatment delivers a supercharged boost of elasticity, moisture and strength into your hair. Our award-winning formula leaves hair bouncy, silky, shiny and manageable. For better results, use at least once a week. The Elasticizers we've seen in different subscription boxes numerous times, but I've never seen this one before. It's supposed to bring happiness and joy. Okay. So this is a sample. To buy the full size it will cost you £37 and then it goes on to telling you what I just read off the back here, but it also says start with a small amount and add more if you need it. Your hair will absorb as much as it needs. It's got a hair mask. Next we've got something for the feet. This is a foot mask by Beauty Pro, Foot Therapy Collagen Infused Beauty. Beauty? No, booty. Booty. So you put them on your feet like socks. Collagen, sweet almond and peppermint, removable toe tips, safe to use with natural nails and gel polish, anti-aging and cooling formula, dual layered beauty and from an award-winning brand. Now I've already got one of these ready to use. I haven't used it yet. So I've got two now, which is handy because I know my feet are going to need it. This is a full-size item and it will cost you £4.95. This innovative double-layered booty with removable toe tips enriched with shea butter and marine collagen hydrates and nourishes feet while salicylic acid dissolves skin debris. Get smooth sandal-ready feet for the summer. So there's that. And then lastly, we have got a Radiant Skin Moisturizer by the brand Arrow. And there's 10 mils there. It feels nice on top of my beauty balm. Beauty balms there, the moisturisers here. It smells really nice. I'm sure there's some citrus in there, which I love. This lightweight daily moisturiser is infused with hyaluronic acid and aloe vera to help hydrate and soothe the skin, while light reflecting particles provide an instant blur effect and healthy looking glow. This is a sample. To purchase the full size it will cost you £18. From Arrow's Revive line of hydrating, brightening products, this lightweight daily moisturiser has a subtle sheen that illuminates your skin as it hydrates and soothes. You may get out the door just a little bit faster when you see the instant healthy looking glow it gives your complexion. And it says here, Arrow is our in-house clean and vegan beauty line that we developed to simplify your routine. I never knew that. So yes, we've got a Radiant Skin Moisturiser there. So those are all the products inside this bag. So I'll just go through them all, doing a bit of a recap. So instead of a box this month, we got given a bag. Next we got a Birchbox own brand microfiber hair towel. Then we got a refill beauty balm. Then we got a Philip Kingsley Elasticizer deep conditioning treatment. We've got a Beauty Pro foot therapy booties. And lastly, we've got a Arrow Radiant Skin Moisturiser. The cost of the box is £12.95. It contains 5 beauty products and the keepsake bag. 3 of the items are full size and come in at around £21. I love this month's theme. I love the fact that we got the bag and the microfiber towel. I think they go together really well and I can just see myself putting a hookup in our bathroom and keeping that bag in the bathroom and keeping a towel like that or one of my others in the bag. I just think that's really handy. Yeah, the other products are nice. I've already got the booty mask for your feet, but I don't mind having another one. And the beauty balm, the moisturiser. The moisturiser would be nice if it was bigger. 10 mils is not enough. It's not enough, really. It's enough to like have go, but it's not enough to have a real feel for a product. I need at least 20 mils so that I can test it over a couple of days to see how my skin reacts with it, how it reacts on top of other skincare, under makeup, etc. But yeah, I do really like it. And the Beauty Balm, I love the fact that it's refillable. I do have a lot of them at the moment. We do use them, the whole family use them for different things like lip balms, cuticle creams, etc. But we do have a lot of them at the moment. But yeah, I can imagine that being, I'm going like that, it's behind me. I can imagine me popping that one in my handbag. But overall, I do really like this month. I do really like this month. I think it's fab. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think? Are you a subscriber to Birchbox? Have you had your bag yet? What do you think of the contents? Are your contents the same as mine? I know everyone will receive the bag, everyone will receive the microfiber towel, and everyone will receive the multi-purpose balm. The other 3 things could be different. I'd love to hear what you think of it, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.